Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is August the 2nd, 2018, and I wanted to give you an update on my carnations here. And they are blooming for me. And these are two, they're kind of like a pink color. And this one down here, it is starting to be spent, but you can still see it has like a raspberry edging on it, and it's a white carnation. I have some more here I'll show you real quick. Hold on a moment. Here's a pink one here with some like darker pinkish reds, like little specks in it, sort of. You can see them there. And the plants are growing here now. These did fall over for me. You can like cage them up so that they grow up straight for you. I never got a chance to do that this year. But to keep your carnations blooming, what you want to do is, like, this one here is just coming right here. When this is spent, you just nip it off right back here, and that'll take your spent bloom off, and that'll keep your carnations blooming. I'll show you another one over here. Hold on a moment. So here's another one over here. I believe this one here is La France, and it has a beautiful shell pink blossom to it. This one's pretty much about spent. There's some coming right over here, but they have a wonderful fragrance to them. Now you can intensify the fragrance by withholding water some, like you'll let them go a little bit drier. Now you don't want to let them go to the point that they wilt. You just kind of want to withhold some water from them, and they look beautiful with these asters, these wild asters right beside them. And I just wanted to give you an update video on these. Now this right here is damage from a budworm. So the budworm went in to the bud. This is your flower bud here, and it actually ate the flower. So there's no guarantee what this flower is going to look like, if it even blooms. There's a possibility that it ate all of the leaves, so it's not even going to be anything, or I should say petals, sorry about that. It's possible that it ate all the flower petals, so you're not even going to see them, or it's going to have holes in it or something. But that's actually what did that damage right there. And you can see here, these are buds here that are just coming. And there's some damage on this one here. I didn't see though where it went into it, so I'm really going to have to watch that. You can see over here what they actually did to this one here. Very disappointing. Certainly not what we wanted to happen, but sometimes that happens. So I wanted to just give you a quick update on these. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try as I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.